Sure. Yesterday we did a very interesting event in New Delhi, and I thank the ambassador of the French embassy because he received us. And during 2 hours, we have discussed about the opportunity around the development of aerospace and defense markets. It's a very huge market and with a very strong stakes, because today Indian government has decided to reinforce their different defense, and it's the reason why the budget today of Indian defense is around $70 billion per year. So it's very huge. It's the third major budget defense of the world after US and China. And for the French company, for the European company, it's a real big opportunity to develop a relationship with the Indian company and the Indian government and the Indian force to match with their expectations. And for TNP, it's also a strong opportunity because we are working already for the major French defense company, and we can support them to develop their business in India. We can support the relationship between Indian company and Indian and French company. And in this aerospace and defense perspective, we have the possibility to increase the capacity through the evolution of the target operating model. We have also the possibility to be more innovative with the arrival of artificial intelligence, the autonomous weapons like drones, etc. So it's a very exciting. It's very important to follow this aerospace and defense market. TNP India is a key office in the TNP world because India is the third major country in terms of economic size. The GDP of India is around 3.5 billion euros. It's huge. So for TNP India, we have like major potential stakes to follow the growth of the Indian industry and to support them in their different stakes, in the digitalization, in the development of the new channel to sell, in the evolution of the supply chain, the purchasing, etc. And in some time, we have also an opportunity to continue to support the European blue chip company and the French blue chip company, which has a strong opportunity in their development in India. Because India needs to have more energy capacity, to have more mobility capacity, new smart mobility stakes. And I'm very convinced that between France and India, we have a lot of opportunity to work together, a lot of synergies. And it's the reason why TNP is today an Indian French company, a real bridge between France and India to support the stakes of all the Indian and government in the next years. In fact, India is well known for its engineer, for its IT capacity, for its digital capacity. It's the reason why in TNP India we have essentially 80% of our consultants who is dedicated to digital transformation in the artificial intelligence, in the RPA, in the UX development, etc. For TNP, it's now important to develop a strategic and operational excellence value proposal to match with the executive of Indian company to design the strategy, to operate the strategy in terms of growth, in terms of innovation, in terms of digitalization, in terms of regulatory and risks. So we have in India a very large potential of growth on our three pillars: strategy and operational excellence, regulatory and risk, and digitalization.